Okay, go ahead, Bayside.
Could you look at TSLL for me for a minute? I've got a question.
You got it. Yep, go ahead.
I wanted to get in right after the candle at 9:58. Was I correct? I didn't, but was I correct?
950. Yeah, no, that's great. Yeah, because right here is what we're looking for, right? The break of this 1565. Yeah, you nailed it. You see this? So
Yes.
1565 would have been everything for you. The reason is right here, and believe it or not, this spot right here. So on the break of this area. So actually, technically, it would have been better here waiting for the break. So this would be early. 958 would be a little bit early, partner. What I would wait for on this one is right here. You see this 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
So,
I was going to get in right when it turned 10 o'clock.
yeah. So right here, right? We wanted to make sure we had a break and
Yes.
hold. This definitely this second candle would have been confirmation, right? Because it opened up above that key critical area, 1565. And now,
Right.
if you guys look at this, so now, if you guys remember, and great question, by the way, I want to feed off this because I can see something nice right here. If you guys remember, Amazon was respecting the 9. So we were trading off the 9. This one is respecting the 21. You see it here, here, and here. Now, these are pretty tight. Same thing. As long as this stays up in this level, leave it the hell alone. Right?
That's what I was thinking.
Yep.
Thank you.
You got it. And if you guys miss the boat, literally, if you're scalping it, wait for this thing to pull back until the 9 or the 21. Those are both entry points. Have a stop just below it, obviously, because if it breaks through it at any point to 21, it's going to be lights out. Otherwise, it's going to continue to climb. Okay? That's how you'd scalp it.
TSLL is respecting the 9 on the 2-minute, coach.
Oh, is it? Okay, thank you. Yep, I see it. Yep. Yeah, and on the 1 minute, the 21 is so close to it that it's just a couple cents. So, yep, absolutely.